千辛萬苦，琴日走到離開巴黎好遠嘅一個球場仔睇英格蘭操練。教練波比粒神設計一套進攻面好闊嘅戰術。假如左閘出波，就會交俾右中場，推一段再交翻俾左翼，好似一個之字形嘅戰術，想同意大利鬥快鬥氣力啦。波比粒神今次練習特別落力，喺球場外邊都聽到佢把聲啊！因為佢教埋今屆世界盃就會退出英格蘭國家隊。佢喺過去嗰8年受咗好多壓力同埋輿論攻擊，前2年喺歐洲國家盃更加俾英國報紙彈到一文不值。今次能夠爭奪季軍，可以講係吐氣揚眉啦。
We've been so near on this occasion, yet, so far. Our last match against Germany was probably as good as an English performance as there's been since the winning of the World Cup, over 24 years maybe.
佢自己話：今次係光榮退出，因為英格蘭自從1966年奪得第8屆世界盃之後，24年以嚟今次嘅成績最好。對完西德之後，英格蘭大傷元氣，除咗主力加斯居尼要停賽之外，好似班尼斯、畢查、獲加都受咗傷，練波嘅時候都就住。不過守門員斯路頓就搏命咁練飛撲，可能佢自己知道已經40歲，好難再踢下一屆世界盃。今晚實行盡地一煲啊！斯路頓仲認為射12碼嚟分勝負係好殘忍同埋唔公平㗎。
It is a bit unfair, not because we lost, but I think it's unfair on the players because somebody's got to stand the responsibility of missing, and that's a big burden for players to live with for the rest of their lives.
佢話：假如球員喺大賽射失咗12碼，而令到球隊輸波，就會好難過，甚至一世都會記得呢種痛苦。其實佢哋都唔想射失㗎。斯路頓咁有同情心，一於簽個名留念先。
OK，
唉，好啦，世界盃仲有2場咧就打完啦，我可以翻香港啦。不過喺意大利6個禮拜咧，世界盃密探發現一樣嘢好現實嘅，就係琴日我知道原來英格蘭上一場踢失2個12碼嗰2個球員啦，今場波冇得踢正選啊，真係現實。
華道嘅位置就會由史提芬斯代替，而皮亞斯嘅位置就會由呢位效力修爾斯嘅杜里高所取代。由於佢喺世界盃第1次打正選，所以好開心，甚至話佢爸爸都開心到瞓唔着喎。